Well, it's Sunday. It's still cold. We warmed up a bit yesterday. I think we got to 80 final yesterday after we were in the 40s last night. Then we got in the 80s, but today I don't think we're gonna get much higher than 60s, and then we're gonna drop back down into the 40s tonight. I just can't believe how cold it is. So I guess that kind of goes along with what I'm saying. I can't believe how people react to things. Social people. I've talked about this before. Social people. You can call me a recluse. You can call me whatever you want. And then you have the socialites. Reclusive people understand social people. If you want to be social, fine, be social. But socialites can't understand reclusives. They truly don't understand it. And then to the point that they think there's something wrong with us. But the population's actually pretty split fairly evenly, that there's just as much social people as there is reclusive people. Now the social people be the first one to say, it takes all kinds to make the world go around. But then be the very first one to say, well, you're not doing it my way, so you're bad. And I've talked about this thousands of times. Well, I'm a recluse. I literally stay on this property to be by myself as much as possible. I try to make YouTube videos, but YouTube is definitely under some sort of reconstruction right now. Has been for the last couple of years, especially with these short videos and Gemini, the AI thing, taking over the YouTube algorithm. Completely switched over back in March. So a lot of channels are really struggling right now. That's fine. So I started a second channel, and I started a lawnmower repair business. There's a little bit of a problem with that. That means I don't have the ability to stay here all by myself without anybody bothering me. So I have to have people on the property. So as a result, I feel like I should be making YouTube videos, which I am, that say, okay, I've had to give up my freedom of being alone, people leaving me alone, so I can make a little bit of money. But it's not too bad. I can work on lawnmowers 90% of the time and talk to people 10% of the time. Of course, I still got the YouTube channel, both of them. So that's bringing in revenue. The lawnmower repair business bringing in revenue. The other channel's bringing in revenue. So throughout all of it, I can still keep myself pretty isolated from people instead of having to go get a job and be around people all day long. Although it's not perfect like it used to be when the YouTube channel was doing great, it's better than going to work. But that being said, I think I should be making YouTube videos explaining the difficulties of me living, the difficulties of me having to deal with people while trying to live an isolated life. I've never been good around people, ever, since high school. And the older I get, and I say this all the time, the more important my isolation is to me. And so the bigger of a jerk I have become. And I'm totally fine with that. If I have to be a jerk to tell the socialites to go away, I don't want to be part of your clique, I don't want to be around you, then I think that's great. I think as far as a person's freedom, they should fight for that freedom. And my freedom is I want to be left alone. I'm not going to sit around having an hour-long conversation about your lawnmower. You drop it off, you say, it's not running, fine. See you in a few days. I'll see what we can do to get it fixed. I'll let you know. That's the extent of the conversation. We don't need a lot more than that. As far as being rattled by people all the time telling me, oh no, you need to check in every 13 seconds. So, I'm just not going to do it. And I'm not going to put up with the bad behaviors. I'm not going to be a customer service technician or a customer service person. I'm not. If you want to bring me your lawnmower to get it fixed, bring it over, I'll fix it. If you want me to be nice about it, don't bring it over. Now, I understand that causes a problem for me. it causes because I don't get as much money. But the way I see it, and I've talked about this before, is I think people would rather have a grumpy mechanic that fixes their lawnmowers than a talkative mechanic that takes 6 weeks and may get it fixed. Or call you up in 6 weeks and say, that's not worth fixing. So I think what I've got going on, what is that? Oh, I thought it was a snake on here on my patio. I was like, no, I don't want a snake. So, but I also treat my YouTube channels the same way. I'm not a big fan of people telling me how to spend my money, how to behave, none of it. And I've said in, I don't know, hundreds of videos, I am a jerk. Don't come over here, and if you don't want to be chewed out in the comment section, don't talk about how I should spend my money or how I should behave. But people don't seem to get the message. So I've had subscribers stop here. What are you doing? You are taking a huge risk coming onto my property. That is dangerous for you. You could go to jail. You're definitely going to get pepper sprayed if you don't leave when I tell you to leave. You're going to be crying while the cops are handcuffing you for trespassing. It's not going to be a good day for you, so why do it? I don't understand it. Well, I do understand. It's taken me a long time to understand, and I'll get to that in a minute. But the same thing applies in the comment section. If you're not saying, hey, thanks for the video, or, you know, love watching your videos, I wouldn't say much more than that. There's no reason to. I don't want your advice. I have been completely independent for 9 years now. Is it 9 years? 9 years. We started traveling 9 years ago. And we have not needed anybody's help. Not anybody. Somebody burned down our pop-up camper. We built a truck camper on the back of the truck. Didn't need anybody's help. I did go over to Dad's house so we could have a place to build it. So I guess if you want to call that help, I understand that. Went over to Mom's house a little while, for a few months. Well, maybe a month or two. Maybe it was 2 months. While we got the materials to set this place up. But again, we were in a camper. We weren't trying to bug Mom too much. Same thing with Dad. Wasn't trying to bug Dad too much. So, you know, for the most part, completely independent. Got here, again, built a house completely by myself. Carolyn helped me lift the north wall, and she helped me assemble that stupid plastic shower. Other than that, built it completely by myself. Didn't need anybody's help. Even though all the subscribers were telling me, you could have had this done if you'd have just bought a case of beer and had the neighbors come over. No, I wanted to do it myself because I'm not a socialite. Got the solar panels hooked up by myself. Oh, is it not? It doesn't have lead acid batteries. You need to hire a technician to come out there and do that for you. Well, they work. I'm quite fine with what they're doing. Started my own lawnmower repair business. Repairing lawnmowers. Doing that all by myself. Handling customer service, even though I don't want to handle customer service. Doing that all by myself. I'm independent. I don't want people's help, so why provide the information down in the comment section when I can clearly tell you you're either going to get blocked or you're going to be told, you know, something inappropriate. I don't know how many times I got to say this. People don't seem to get the message. I've not hidden this. I am a jerk, and I'm fine with that. Now, there is a portion of the society, well, socialites, I should say, that think, not me. If he just knew me, he wouldn't be a jerk. He would be an all right guy. But I'm not. I am a jerk. I've had a subscriber, you know, talk to me. And I think he respects the idea that I'm a jerk. I think he's okay with that. But he learned I am a jerk. I'm just not interested in people. I know that's absolutely amazing to hear. How can you not be interested in people? I'm not. I have no use for them. I'm happy with Carolyn's company, and that's all I need. It seems like anytime I get involved with people, there's drama, there's problems, there's just too much stuff I don't want to deal with. I don't want anybody here. Some guy came over yesterday telling me about a problem that, and a total stranger, had no idea who he was. Come over here and he was wanting to talk to me about something. And he started to bring up a subject and I just wasn't interested. And I said, I'm not interested in that. And he went, but he started stuttering. And I said, get off my, I mean, just as loud as I could say it. I wanted him to think I was crazy. That's how much I didn't want this guy on my property. He already violated the trespassing sign. I said, I'm not interested. You know, you can leave. And he wanted to ignore that and just continue talking. And as soon as I lost my mind like that, he was gone. He got up to the road. He started saying something. I didn't hear what he said. I was going in the house. I don't want people here. And I feel like I don't want a lot of information down in the comment section telling me how I should run my life or spend my money. So I've gotten to the point now where in the comment section, if somebody gives me an opinion, I don't block them anymore. Or tells me how to spend my money, I don't block them anymore. I just tell them I'm a jerk and you're a whatever. So it happened again last night, or well, a few days ago actually. Some guy, I was talking about the lawnmower repair business and how I don't want to be around people, and you know, just drop off your lawnmower and be done. If you're gonna do any more than that, I'm basically just gonna drop the job. I'm not gonna do it. And this guy says, well, you know, people are gonna be the way they are, and he goes in his long explanation, but he says, in the end, you have to make a decision whether you want to deal with these people or not, and if not, you just need to get out of the business. And I said, nope, I intend to be a jerk, just like always. And maybe you should learn how to mind your own business. Now, I feel like I have clearly expressed in the comment itself that I'm a jerk. I know I'm a jerk, and therefore, I have this right now to tell you to mind your own business. I'm a jerk, mind your own business. Surprise! I can't believe this. You're such a terrible person. No wonder nobody likes you. Duh. They are shocked. They're absolutely floored that I thought I was going to be able to be the one guy that could get through to him and make him understand and make him a great person. But when I said, I'm a jerk, he actually twisted my words around. I never said you were a jerk. I didn't say you said I was a jerk. I said I am a jerk. And therefore, you're going to get the wrath of my jerkiness. You're going to pay the penalty for giving me advice that I didn't ask for. I don't want to be nice to my customers. Do you get it? That you're not going to get a friendly conversation from the lawnmower repair mechanic here. You're just not going to get it. You're going to get to drop off your lawnmower in a few days. You're going to have a running lawnmower in exchange for some money. That's how it works around here. And if you don't like it, go someplace else where you can yap up all day long, and you might get your lawnmower repaired. You might. Probably not. And if you do get it repaired, it's going to be a big old bill. So no, don't come to my comment section telling me how to behave. I'm 54 years old and I look 64 years old. I've learned how to behave, and I've learned what I like with my behavior. I like being alone, and the only way I can be alone is to be a jerk. And if you want to come to my comment section and then say, oh my God, there's something wrong with you. Yes, there's something wrong with me. It's called I'm not a socialite little freak. It's called I'm not a socialite. I'm a recluse. Leave me alone. Get it? No, they won't get it. As a matter of fact, there'll be some troll that goes down in there and says, man, you're a terrible person. You need to learn how to behave yourself. I can guarantee it. So, if you'll click this up next box, take the video over my other channel. I really appreciate it. Go check it out. It's a brand new video today. So, hope I can inspire you. Be a jerk so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.